Hi, I'm David Olemian and I'm a foodie. Today we're going to make a mojito to go with some Caribbean food that we've been making this morning. To make a mojito, what do we need? Well, we need a mixing glass. We need a regular glass. Some ice, some nice fresh mint, simple syrup, which is basically sugar and water. And you can buy this simple syrup. Some club soda, a little bit of lime. We need a plate of sugar, and of course we need some rum. You want a good quality light rum. Bacardi is good to use, or any other good light rum that you like. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take, one more thing we need is we need a muddler. And what are we going to do with this? Well, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our mint and put it right into our mixing glass. And take the leaves off the stems. And I love the flavor and the scent of this mint, so I'm going to use a good amount of mint. The more you make it, the more you put in, the more mintier your drink is going to come out, your mojito will be. Now, we're going to take our muddler and we're going to use it, and gently we're going to muddle the mint leaves. And what we're doing is I'm pushing down and using a twisting action to release the oils in those mint leaves. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of ice, and I'm going to crush that ice in with the mint and just muddle it all together. I'm going to take one of my limes, put a slice right down the middle of it, and take my glass, and I'm going to run the lime around the top of the glass. Next, I take my plate of sugar, and I'm simply going to put my glass in here and rub it around. Now I'll take that glass, set that aside, and bring my other mixing glass back, and I'm going to fill it up with ice. Next, I'll add my Bacardi rum. And if you have another kind of rum you like, use another kind of rum, but I like this one. A couple ounces is good. About an ounce or so of simple syrup. Next, I'm going to put the juice of half a lime right in here. And then finally, give it a shake. And now I'm going to put more ice in my glass, my other glass, right here. The remainder of my ice. I'm going to let it strain out of here, fill my glass up, just up to there. And finally, I'm going to top it off with cold club soda. You don't want it to be room temperature. You want nice ice cold club soda. Just top it right off like so. Here we have a mojito. My name's David Olemian. Thank you for tuning into my video.